All right, we're making -6 lines. And I thought I'd just start where I cut the last one off at. You can see it's kind of flattened. This is what I use to cut it. Just it cuts through like butter, but it does flatten it out. So you get the tape off. Actually, take the tape off, you want to slide this piece here onto it. With the tape on there, it goes on real easy. So trying to unwrap the tape, I just take a razor blade. And then voila, tape is gone. All right. The people I bought these from on Amazon, Evil Energy, they send this little tool with the kit. What that does, that makes the line round again. Now you're supposed to use a small screwdriver and pull the steel back from the PTFE Teflon core. Jags makes a little tool. It does the exact same thing, but it pulls the braided steel part back, or pushes it back uniformly. Very nice. Now, I use silicone lubricant. I got this at Walmart. You can tell PB Blaster. Just put a little on here. The acorn, or collet, everyone calls it the acorn, but it's a collet. It goes on. You gotta push it against something flat until it's all the way in and square. That's it. Then you put this. Need a little more. Need some silicone on the inside. I don't want to push against stuff, but I'm gonna have to. You just start threading it together. And the vise pieces hold this. Yeah, I fell for buying one of these adjustable AN wrenches. Probably not gonna do that again. It's aluminum, and it doesn't mar it up any. It's kind of useless too. I just use a 11/16. I'm sorry, 3/4. The middle one's the 11/16. And this pulls it all together. And you get them down snug. Boom, done. Didn't have my vise tight enough. All right, so now we have a complete AN fitting. I am curious what we got to do to change these out. So I wanted to make one. The point of this video was, can you change them out? Let me get it on there right. Let me do it this way. I'll put that in the vise. And then put this on this piece. And I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm pretty sure. Okay, this one comes undone from the inside. So the acorn's in there. This piece is holding the line on. This is not deformed. If I want to put a different tip on it, say I mess the threads up or something like that, I can pull this out, remove its hose end and acorn, and put them onto this one so I don't lose them. Then this, with the same acorn on there, it just go right on in. What do you know, it does. So put this. So this is PTFE braided steel hose with Evil Energy ends. These are AN-6 size. Get it tight. And you can change the ends out just like that. So if you put a straight on here and you want a 90 or a whatever, it's that easy to change out. That's the point of me doing this. I just wanted to show that off. So I'm going to make fuel lines up for another one of my vehicles, my diesels, between the fuel pump and the fuel filter and the injection pump. And I got to change some fittings around. This makes it so I can do that. Now I'm ready to go. Okay.